Nanawagan nga ang Hollywood actor na si Leonardo DiCaprio sa presidente ng bansang Pilipinas, BBM. Ito'y kaugnay sa forest ng Masugi kung saan ay dapat nga daw mag-intervene dito si Pangulo para maprotektahan ang isa sa may pinakamaganda at pinaka-healthy na forest dito sa bansa. Narito po ang full. Masugi is a lush mountain rainforest landscape outside of Manila, the bustling capital of the Philippines. In the late 1990s, much of Masugi was illegally deforested. Local communities fostered the development of the Masugi Reserve, spurring efforts to restore this precious ecosystem. From these conservation initiatives, trees were able to grow taller, wildlife numbers slowly increased, and more locals became involved in protecting this ecosystem. Now, this success is in jeopardy as the Department of Environment and Natural Resources threatens to cancel the agreement that protects this area from prolific land grabbing activities. This cancellation would set back the success of an internationally acclaimed conservation efforts and leave the area vulnerable again to mining, logging, and illegal developments. Join local rangers in calling on President Bongbong Marcos to intervene and continue to protect Masugi. Conservation success like Masugi serve as a reminder that the Philippines can do or can become a leader in sustainability, ecotourism, biodiversity protection, and climate action. Napakaganda nga ng nasabing forest na ito at kaya naman karapat-dapat itong protektahan, especially ayon nga kay Leonardo DiCaprio ay baka mag-conduct dito ng mga mining dahil tila inabot na nga ang pagprotekta rito. Kaya naman ganoon na lamang ang concern at pananawagan ng ibang lahi dito sa Pilipinas na kailangan protektahan ang nasabi nga pong virgin forest. Anyway, may ilan na mga Pilipino, kababayan natin doon ang nangangalaga pero sabi nga ay hindi ito enough. Dapat mismo ang government ang magbigay ng karampatang pagprotekta sa nasabi nga pong forest. Ano po masisay nyo about dito? Sana po ay matulungan natin na ma-share ito para po kahit papano maibahagi natin ang panawagan ng nasabi nga pong Hollywood actor na napaka-concern dito sa ating bansa. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.